Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Kule squad sabantu abawu-22 bebatravelile baye Egypt abe-Chiefs, kunabayi-5 abazoba minaza against iZamalek because of kunabayi-5 abasha ababa-edile. So ba-ede uDuba, uSirino, uShinga, uBatman, uMayo. Siyazi ukuthi uSirino ubuya kuma-yellow card awu-3 and then beka-suspended. uDuba zange bamselect, uShinga, Batman kokuqala baselect. uMayo-ke ubuya ku-injury, bonakala ngathi bazoba i-focal point unless izinto ziya-change ngama-last minute bafethu. Omunye ongeke adlale nelokhunjana neZamalek uMcCarthy. uMcCarthy kazange travel even the first leg kazange travel because of ama-defenders engiwabonayo laphana. Ngibona uMsimango, ngibona u-Inacio Miguel, then ngibona uZitha Kwinika bekhuluma futhi nama-journalist ne-media laphana ePolokwane njengoba ba-preparela for i-match enkulu, possibly the last biggest match of the year against iZamalek before i-CAF ivala ne-league i-domestic competition ivala. But-ke okay, ngibona i-message la kuma-under ama-comment kuthiwa bangayilinga bayidlalise le nkomo lena u-Inacio Miguel. I think u-Inacio Miguel uzodlala. I don't think uMsimango bazovele bamqalise nje out of the blue because of ubuya ku-injury long term. And I also saw another comment ukuthi vele kumele asebenze to make his way up there ukuthi baqale ukumselecta again, not ukuthi abuye ku-injury avele aqale. But-ke if kunamaphutha laphana emuva, imagine uNacio Miguel obvious umuntu amaphutha ayenzeka, ama-yellow card uyawathola, futhi ama-yellow card i-habit kuye, into natural. So ukumkhipha ukumbeka ebhentshini abukele from ibench, maybe lokho kuzomnika a different perspective mayebukele igame ukuthi kumele enze kangcono because he hasn't improved from umuntu othola ama-yellow card just for fun last season. And then kusho ukuthini lokhu for uMcCarthy bafethu, umuntu oqala isizini kahle kangaka ukuthi manje bangamselect nokuselecta for isquad. Sikhumbule njalo uma ngimention uMcCarthy ngiyohlezi nginikhumbuza bafethu ukuthi uMcCarthy kune-inquiry noma kune-interest kune-interest yakhe nge-off season laphana eNetherlands. So if ngeke adlale list yama-matches amakhulu lawa important kakhulu, why should they keep him? Siyazi ukuthi bamnike i-improved contract compared to le contract ayisayina meqala ukufika ku-senior professional setup because of bayabona ukuthi kune a bit of interest from yena umfana, which is a good thing ukuthi ahole imali engcono, but i-game time is more important and kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi abantu baye overseas if kune-interest eserious. But I think bangaba ne-interest eserious i-Chiefs izokwazi ukumdedela because of if akadlali manje kunalama-defenders lawa kunamaphutha nokuba namaphutha, bheka mekufika oDodley. Yazi I checked i-squad se-Chiefs like ama-defenders akhona, like this season they've operated like ngama-defenders ku-center back, they've operated ngama-defenders awu-3 kuphela. So ngoba uMsimango noDodley baku-injured for some time, bekuMcCarthy noKwinika no-Inacio Miguel kuphela, yibo bayi-3 baloke ba-operate ngabo. So uNacio Miguel makaba suspended kwezinye izinto, le ndaba yakhe le yama-yellow card bekusela abantu abawu-2 nje kuphela. So kumele it's very difficult, kusho ukuthi manje sokumele ba-adapte, kumele ba-improvise ukuthi badlale kangcono ukuthi okay bangabi namaphutha amaningi ukuthi bathole omunye sengekho laphana. Siyazi ukuthi banga-convert abanye baba ama-center back, but-ke that's not really doable. It is doable but it's not flexible because of abantu bakuma-positions wabo kula bakhula khona. For example, if like uthatha uCross umbuyisela ku-center back, uke wayidlala fine, uGoody ucomfortable, but-ke uGoody kakhulu manje ku-left back, what he gives i-Chiefs laphana ku-left back. So yeah, isquad lesi, and yeah, I'm thinking of something la ngithola ukuthi i-Chiefs noma khona i-comment ethi i-Chiefs noma ingamsayina uThabo Moloisane, but-ke they have to keep their defense ukuthi babe right laphana emuva. Uyabona mangibheka because of badila nama-injuries different nama-suspension, you can't have just ama-defenders awu-3, badinga ama-defenders lesi awu-5 bafuthi asolid ngempela. Noma kuthiwa uyalibheka ibench le-Chiefs ku-center back ubona ukuthi yinkunzi malanga ngempela. So you can't just have nje abantu abawu-3 and hoping ukuthi omunye akalimali, omunye akathola ama-yellow card, ama-suspension, izinto ezinjalo. So they have to try and make sure ukuthi kuthi ngoJanuary if they're gonna compete for izinto ku-defense, cause amaphutha azokwenzeka. boKwinika khona la bazoba suspended, khona la bazothinteka khona. uKwinika-ke lakhe enough yena uyi-warrior, uyakwazi ukudlala noma elimele afakane namabhandishi ekhanda, but-ke ulo uMcCarthy already sethintekile this season. So uyabona ukuthi mabadila nama-injuries bogcina besele ne-center back eyodwa. So that's not really viable for them. But yeah, bane-squad esikhulu esikhulu ngempela bafethu esi-right. Manye ama-player attracts interest eserious, ukuthi bazohlala or bazohamba ku-Chiefs by the end of the season sobona. But yeah, I mean there's no pressure ukuthi abantu bahambe ku-Chiefs because of badlalela i-team enkulu. Nanokuthi-ke udume i-country yonke, uthola izinto ey'ningi like imali eningi ngaphandle kwama-salaries wakho nje through i-Chiefs because of bayi-brand enkulu. Now they turn you into i-brand e-attract-a amanye amalokhunjana ama-corporate amakhampani ukuthi azosebenza nawe izinto ezinjalo. Ngoba uDuba, I don't know indaba kaDuba bafowethu because of this season uyabona ukuthi akusiyo isizini yakhe nanokuthi bane-striker ey'ningi kakhulu. Ukuthi isizini mayiphela i-team yase-Saudi Arabia isazobuya na, and then-ke yena ne-agent lakhe bazothini, bazohlala phansi babonisane bathi Duba hamba okwenza imali ene-Saudi Arabia ku-Chiefs uyobuya ngomunye unyaka, noma bazovele bayi-ignore indaba yakhona. Or i-team yase-Saudi nayo seyithi hhayi seyi-right because uDuba last season bekuyisizini yakhe enkulu, highly influential for i-Chiefs, u-game model kaNabi. But if akadlali this season, they might as well just push sell him if kune-interest evelayo lapha from amanye ama-teams wa-overseas. But it's good ukuthi umfana bayakwazi ukumnothisa noma amanye ama-teams ayakwazi ukumnothisa. Mbuzo omkhulu-ke, I also saw like ama-messages ukuthi abantu bathi they are glad ukuthi uBatman ukhona laphana finally is making the match day squad. U-Isaac, ubhodla u-Isaac uthi u-delighted ukuzwa ukuthi uBatman noShinga bakhona bayi-part of i-travelling squad laphana ePolokwane. Uthi-ke is hoping, uthi-ke I hope they get some game time to showcase their talent in the field of play. Yeah, I don't think Ushinga, to be honest, bafethu kuzoba difficult kakhulu ukuthi athole i-game time because of yes ukhona esquadini, but-ke uMarco naye ukhona and then uCross ukhona, so for Ushinga kuzoba difficult kakhulu ukuthi adlale. Batman cause naye asazi ukuthi bazofuna ukumdlalisa kuyiphi i-position cause uBatman uyakwazi ukudlala ezi-wing, uyakwazi ukudlala ezi-strike, and then ku-striking department-ke siyazi kulesa squad lesengisibonile ukhona uSilva, ukhona u-Igadaro, ukhona uMayo, so uBatman uzoba unumber banike kuleso squad leso. But siyasobona at the end of the day sobona ngama-coach bafethu ukuthi ama-coach wona azothini aplana kanjani. What I saw from Mushinga, I don't think une-confidence with what I saw. Maybe ngiyamisjudge mangimbhekile lapha ejimini. Angibone umuntu onganayo confidence that much, ongekho sure that much, but-ke maybe intimidation ye-media nanokuthi-ke akakadlali at all cause I can imagine le kubo bafethu is it what Umlazi ne somewhere around eDurban laphana eThekwini, some of the castles there noma ama-townships, I think waseMlazi if angilenze iphutha again. uMekasana ne-Kaizer Chiefs, obviously the hood was buzzing ukuthi finally sesijwayele vele ukuthi uMlazi unabo abantu abadlalela o-Chiefs izinto ezinjena. I mean they are waiting and waiting ukumbona uShinga edlala i-official game. I think that would excite abantu aba-around yena, abantu abamthandayo, abamfisela izinto but ezi-right, but izinto azikakahambi accordingly for uShinga, which is sad to be honest ukuthi i-league igijime noma ihambe isikhathi esingaka, but-ke still you're not even making ilokhu njani one appearance or just one-ke from the bench. That's not good, but he must keep working hard and angayeki le nto lena imcrash, kumele nje afocus ku-game yakhe phela, aloku ayi-improvile to a point where coaches bazogcine bebona nabo ukuthi hhayi lo muntu lo uyadeserve ukudlala because he's been humbled, ufocus nje egamini yakhe kuphela nanokuthi kept growing and growing, improve because njalo uma ujima ngeke ujime ne-team bamsayine nini, ngeke ujimele sene-team 4 months so bazi bonke sowujwayele, but-ke ulokhu njani awukakabi comfortable, so bajwayela bonke labantu laba, but usanaloku kuthiwa lokho ukuthi udlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, kumele leyo nto uyibekele eceleni. Sikhumbule i-Kaizer Chiefs imsayine around 200,000, is it euros? I think yeah it's euros. Bamsayine around 4 million umfana ukuthi bamlethe laphana ku-left back because of bafuna ukumake sure ukuthi i-left back i-covered. Singakhohlwa ukuthi uShinga ufuna ukudlalela iBafana Bafana, yiyo into engike ngayimenshina nayo bafethu ukuthi ufuna ukudlalela iBafana Bafana. Sazi-ke ukuthi ama-coaches acabangani ukuthi uzoyithola i-chance just before the end of the year because of kubalulekile at least-ke phela ku-team uhlanganisa 6 months awudlali and if Oshinga uChesleti akekho-ke ngeke uChesleti ngeke adlale this weekend thi singene kuya-ke akana-chance-ke if khona umuntu ongana-chance ukuthi adlale u-Ethan Chesleti Ushinga kungcono he-made the match day squad. Well, unless basazokhatha futhi laphana ku-match day but-ke uChesleti akana-chance ukuthi adlale bonke no-Chesleti they signed to Chiefs ukuthi bathole lawo ma-opportunities noma-ke kuthiwa bangakazi-establish laphana emathimini but-ke leyo small game time leyo beyibalulekile bheka for example uNdlovu siyambona obvious u-struggle ngezinye izinto lesi ama-injuries and stuff but-ke sesike sambona a few times edlala uNdlovu so nabo Oshinga they wish ukuthi at least ngabe sebadlale boma-2 games nyana and then they will build i-momentum from leyo 2 games but akakakwenzeki bafethu they're not there yet. But we'll just have to watch and see but good thing ukuthi balaphana ePolokwane abafana. UGeorge Mahlobo bafethu uyi-part of isquad se-Chiefs esilaphana ePolokwane. Sazi ukuthi uzocontribute kangakanani ethimini but-ke uyi-part of i-team. Kuyabonakala kusho ukuthi i-team there's something abayibonayo ejimini thina maybe singayiboni that much kuGeorge Mahlobo bafethu because of bayamselecta yena umfowethu njalo bayamselecta noma ngingasho ukuthi njalo but isikhathi esiningi uba khona ku-match day squad because ngimbone nalapha elokhu ukhefu ube khona even against i-AS Simba uba khona laphana uGeorge Mahlobo angene lapho ukungena kwakhe but-ke we haven't seen really much of his contribution into i-Chiefs but I think obviously ngi-confidence nezinye izinto ama-player ilento le bengisho earlier on ukuthi abadlalisa ama-player according to i-strength sabo abo-coach bangafuni uku-introduce i-system yabo e-foreign to ama-player cause bayazi ukuthi yabona uma ubheka uVilakazi uyamazi ukuthi i-style sakhe of play sinjani ungadla kanjani ngayo and then uma ubheka uLokhunjani uShabalala uyasazi i-strength sakhe uSirini uyasazi i-strength sakhe lese uSilva uyazi ukuthi ufunakala ebhoxini uIkadari ufunakala ebhoxini but wena uyamyeka or umdlalisa i-system yakho ukuthi kumele amake like hayi dlalisa ama-player based on or according to i-system yabo or la be-powerful khona kula i-team ezobenefita greatly if ama-player amaningi adlala according to their strength, according to their system. Bawu-2 kuphela o-goalkeeper be-Chiefs abakulesa squad ilesi abafowethu kusho ukuthi abanye basathintekile because unless cause bawu-2 kuphela uVuma noPeterson kuphela o-goalkeeper bakhona abazodlala laphana ku-CAF okwamanje ku-CAF uPeterson uVuma kuphela then ulo uNtwari simbonile uqalile ukurecovera because of bekaya esibhedlela bekashaya i-shoulder whatever but-ke manje seyaqala ukuphakamisa amabhola uku-strengthena iside lakhe uyambona ukuthi ku-recovery phase ezothatha a couple of weeks ukuthi abuye fully for i-Chiefs bafethu which is a good thing. Let's hope uzo-recover bafethu just before January or during January transfer window because of ku-Kaizer Chiefs i-future yakhe ayisekho so aka-recover in time ukuthi bakwazi ukumhambisa and then i-Chiefs iya-decide ukuthi izofocusa koBunhle Molife or izofocusa koMokoena or obani o-goalkeeper bazofocusa kubo ukuthi uzoba i-third choice ye-team ngoba laphana ku-DDC team bano-2 quality top quality goalkeepers bafethu which is uTakalani and then noLokhunjani noMokoena. uMokoena siyambona ne-first team kakhulu kumele ba-decide ukuthi ubani because isikhathi esiningi baba no-goalkeeper abawu-4 ku-Chiefs to be honest baba nabo goalkeeper abawu-4 uNtwari akubonakala ngathi une-future right for i-Chiefs aka-recover and then bakwazi ukumthengisa or bavele bamhambise mahhala if phela akunama-buyers laphana ethimini but they have a good squad but they need a powerful goalkeeper. Peterson has done really well this season to be fair udlala kahle kakhulu Peterson but bazodinga omunye goalkeeper equally talented even better laphana ebenchini I don't know man if ulo ubani uRonaldo Lina cause i-contract yakhe yokuqala wayisana neSikhukhune United yayiphela 2026 bafowethu ngoJune unless if kune-renewal esingayazi thina bafowethu cause angithi ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ulona ngakhuluma naye goalkeeper uRonaldo Lina bafowethu la esho khona ukuthi i-Chiefs iyamfuna but-ke indaba ilo iSikhukhune United babefuna imali ethe xaxa but they have ama-players every department they have ama-players but masibheka ama-player powerful that is why must be kwamanye ama-interviews ama-player asho ukuthi i-Chiefs idinga ama-leaders. Mabathi masithi i-Chiefs idinga ama-leaders, idinga let's say i-player ozokwazi ukuthi leli ungakholelwa kulo ukuthi noma kuthiwani kumnyama kubomvu uzovumbuka, yabo? Cause khona ama-moments la i-team ife khona, ifile ingabonakali. Yonke i-team kuyenzeka, even some of the best teams in the world, but ikhona iplayer elilodwa or two ethimini uyazi ukuthi lo muntu lo uzovela. Thithi sizibambe la as a-Chiefs bafowethu, cause khona ezinye iy'ndaba ey'phumayo laphana ku-P_S_L ezinye singakhuluma ngazo siyi-mention-e because of nazo ziya-exciting. I think izojabulisa ama-football fans cause abanye abantu bayangicela ukuthi please nkulu ikhava namanye ama-team, but I decided just to ignore completely amanye ama-team, to be honest. But sizokhuluma nge-one of the biggest stars ku-Betway Premiership or ebholeni lase-South Africa, uSaleng bafowethu. uSaleng kuphuma ama-report-ke kuthiwa attract interest laphana i-Raja Casablanca laphana eMorocco, i-team ecoachwa i-South African coach uDavies. Davies ukehamba khona, I think kuma-Rensburg, waduma kakhulu kuma-Rensburg uDavies la e-unleash-a khona different talents. Uye-ke ocoach-a laphana, ocoach i-Raja, i-team enama-ambition amakhulu kakhulu ukuthi yenze kahle ku-continental level. Kuthiwa-ke bafuna ukuletha uSaleng laphana eMorocco ukuthi bakwazi ukukhompyutha futhi uDavies ucoach wenza kahle kakhulu bafethu. I-team yakhe iRaja i-strong, i-powerful. Kula kudlala khona uThembi Nkosi Lodge because of badlala against Wydad Casablanca, bona bayi-Raja Casablanca. Akhona-ke namanye ama-teams a-powerful kuleya nation leya cause siyazi ukuthi ibhola laseMorocco li-improve kangakanani. But umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates izomdedela na uSaleng ukuthi imhambise, nanokuthi ngeke baba-overprice cause siyazi ukuthi kunenkinga enkulu between i-Orlando Pirates noSaleng cause wavele wanyamalalela izinto ezinjalo, wababeka maybe wabanika isithombe esibi ku-public, yabo? Ukuthi bayi-Pirates bayablockana zonke lezo zinto lezo. Asazi ukuthi kukwenzakalani. I think abantu abaningi, to be honest, abantu abaningi abafuni ukulisha iqiniso lakaSaleng, even ne-media. Khona abantu abalaziyo. Angeke ngikhulume ngalo muntu lo ngoba umlungu bafethu, ngiyamazi-ke mina personal level, wazi yonke into yakhona, uripota izinto njalo but ekaSaleng akaze ayiripote ngokuqiniso. But soyibamba lapha ekaSaleng, simfisela inhlanhla, sobona ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates izomdedela na uSaleng noma angeke imdedele. Cause abasamdingi, to be honest, bamlone laphana ku-Orbit College. Imagine, that was just a career suicide. Bayamdestroy makaya ku-Orbit College. But-ke ube ney'nkinga futhi nakhona kubonakala ngathi indaba yakhe ayisekho, but waphinde wavumbuka futhi washaya ama-assist, unawo lawo magoli, I think awu-2 if angilenzi iphutha laphana ku-Orbit College. So influence yakhe iyabonakala kancane kancane. Last game yakhe laphana ku-Orbit College bafethu uphume elimele. U-coach wakhe uthe bamreplace ngoba ulimele. So angalimali ngesikhathi esibi kangaka bafethu, it would be just a bad time to be injured for him cause iRaja iyamfuna. Just-ke iRaja kumele babe ne-deal ne-Pirates ukuthi bamthole uSaleng. And I assume ukuthi akaduri uSaleng bafethu ngaleyo ndlela. Okwamanje uke wadura but manje akasaduri because of ugcineni nokudlala lese ku-Pirates. Ama-competition awadlalayo, udlalela yiphi i-team, unamagoli angakanani, nama-contribution angakanani. So zonke lezo zinto ziyabhekwa. Akaduri than let's say 2 years back la bedura khona serious. Omunye esingathinta kuye bafethu uSphiwe Slepe, nayo i-media ya-report, i-Soccer Beat report ukuthi no akakadlali this season but kune-team emfunayo yase-Sweden. Sisithinta kwezinye nakuBafana Bafana. uHugo Broos akawaselect obviously ama-player we-Chiefs, but there's something that I loved that he did. I-include abafana abancane abawu-2 from i-under 20 bafethu. uSmith we-QPR, uSmith bedlala i-Stellenbosch, and then uCampbell lo udlala laphana ku-Club Brugge, but kudlalela ama-reserve side wakhona, but u-powerful, uyi-star umfana, u-top cause naku-Champions League I think bake bamnika ama-minutes or unokuba khona ku-travelling squad. Kwashaya negoli elihle laphana kuleya team leyo, but akakabe established laphana eBelgium. But you could see ukuthi okay, this is the future, i-progression yeBafana Bafana, ukuthi abafana bakhona and then bazokhulela under i-setup yeBafana Bafana. Even if they don't make the final cut, it's okay. They will grow from lento lena. Obviously izobasiza ukuthi babe motivated kakhulu ukuthi next time when they are selected for i-national team, they are not overhyped because lena nje ukuba-notice ukuthi badlala kahle, and then ucoach uyaba-notice ukuthi hhayi, good luck bafana, siyanibona ukuthi ne-future. I don't think they'll make it though to the final squad, but yeah, into e-right kakhulu. Siyawabona amanye ama-players from amanye ama-team ayanothiswa. Yeah. Ubani Olwethu Makhanya bafethu laphana ku-Philadelphia aba-renew i-contract yakhe. Naye umfana u-disappointed ukuthi akekho kuBafana, bekacabanga ukuthi iBafana izomselecta, but-ke Hugo Broos in recent days or weeks or months se-ignore abafana abadlala laphana e-United States of America. Ingakho nabantu bebekhuluma who is this guy we-Pirates, uMbokazi, ukuthi uya laphana e-America, bathi hhayi akusiyi-move e-right for yena laphana, but at the end of the day bafethu kuzoya ngocoach ukuthi ucoach ufunani.